I think as you were saying, we get overwhelmed by how vast this Chinese machine is. And, you know, we have to rethink in the West every couple of years what our policies are. And there's an interim period where there's discussion and there's a relaxation of movement. There's no relaxation in China. These policies were set many, many decades ago. And this 100-year program for the Chinese to take over the world, they're 50 years ahead at this point because they're on point of knowing exactly what they set out to do. The mechanisms that they have in place are everywhere now. They're in our universities, they're in our schools, they're in our police departments, they're in our, you know, the deep structures of our intelligence community. They're everywhere. And we have to look at this, but as the gentleman said, we can't get overwhelmed by how big it is. We have to be able to parse it piece by piece.